What I appreciate about the local community in the Netherlands is they have J-Fall to lean into.
Very energetic conference, really happy people.
You get technical information, you get the opportunity to collaborate and connect with other developers, but most importantly, you leave with more questions than answers.
It's not only about Java, it's also about other new tech things, AI. And I think this makes it very interesting for everybody.
It's grown into not just a local country conference, but it's now an international conference. We have great international speakers like Venkat.
They're not learning from me. We're learning together as a community. And that's what excites me being in conferences like this.
And it's impressive just how much information is contained in just one day. It almost feels like a 3-day conference that happens in 24 hours.